Okay, good day, grade 7s. I hope you're doing well and I hope you had a good Easter. Thank you for all the work that you've done and the uploads that you've done. I'm just going to go through what we're doing this week then. So if you just open up the guide that I have open here, you'll see that the first bit is just a bit of review. So remember when we did that around the clock activity and you made your own revision notes, which were really good, and that impacted, and so on your end of unit test you did really well. I'd hope the same this time. Okay, so you just need to look at the revision topics here. So definition of tourism, types of tourists, history of tourism, impacts of tourism, government role in tourism, and just add some short notes, revision notes, so that and then revise over that. That'll put you in a great position so that then you can complete the quiz on Plus Portal, okay? Now, there are different ways of accessing it, and I've not made it available to you yet, but it will be in the next couple of days, so you've got a chance to review that now. You can find it in your calendar, in the coursework, click on the class, go from there. There are different ways of getting to it, but it is accessible on there. It is a multiple choice quiz. There are only 10 questions. You'll have 20 minutes to do it, but you only get one attempt at the quiz, okay? So make sure you've done your revision before you start that. And the due date is April the 27th, so next Monday, okay? So if you have any questions about it, before you open it or before you start it, just drop me an email, okay? For lesson 2, we're going to continue about farming in the Bahamas, okay? I'm going to look at the advantages and disadvantages of farming and the importance of agricultural industry in the Bahamas, okay? So write those objectives and that topic and title on some folder sheet or type it onto Word. And then you're going to read page 151 and 152. So we've got 151, so we've got the advantages, and 152. And we have here at the bottom here, we've got the disadvantages, okay? So, you know, the one that's close to the USA, so if it was exports, we've got a warm climate without frost, so it's got that all year round growth. However, the disadvantages such as poor soils, low rainfall, etc. Okay, so you can make a nice little table that will help you with your revision notes and go through that as it says here. So yeah, just create that T-chart, write the advantages, disadvantages. Then go onto YouTube. I know you're on YouTube now watching this. Go onto YouTube, click on that link to get onto YouTube, and then I just want you to identify and explain. So there's 2 words there. So find 3 reasons why it's important for the Bahamas to develop the agricultural industry. So identify and explain. So say what the reason is and say why it's important, okay? So really get there. So that'll be really good practice for your exam in the future, okay? So I hope you guys are all well, and I think that's quite a clear guide for what we need to do this week. So it's just that online quiz, and then the rest of it is just some nice easy notes for you to make, and then we can continue from there next week and finish off the farming. If you have any questions, then just give me an email and I should be able to help you from there. Okay, so I hope you're all well, and thank you.